It feels weird having the GoPro on my head again. It really does. But here we are out here on this extremely shitty day. And trust me, this is not the first time this bike's been out in the snow before. It's been out plenty of times, and I'm hoping to get my snowmobile out here pretty soon too. Turn choke off? She's warmed up. Never mind. It's not that warm. Let's see the car crane get up the driveway, so this also got a little more. What's up, guys? Oh yeah, look, it makes up the driveway and the Fiat doesn't. Oh my slide. That popping noise, that's nothing bad. It's just a chain about to fall off. I guess it is pretty bad, but needs a new chain. Let's take it down the road. Oh my god, look at where I dude, I almost crashed going through the field. I'm taking it pretty easy down here. I don't want to crash here and eat shit. I don't know how the roads are gonna be. I mean, they look shitty, but oh my god! There's no stopping. Holy shit, dude. I know I'm gonna eat shit by the end of the day. We're gonna attempt a wheelie. Oh! I got up, but not a whole lot.